Hi, it's Scott with American Eagle Harley. Today I'm bringing you the new bike of the week. I have the pleasure to present my personal favorite, the El Diablo Low Rider ST.
There were only 1,500 of these bad boys made. This one is number 308. Up front you'll find a modern expression of the iconic 1983 Sport Glide with a frame-mounted fairing favored by West Coast customizers. Among many other things, a meticulously crafted custom paint job sets the El Diablo apart from other Low Rider ST. It's a carefully considered combination of an El Diablo bright red base, a passive bright red sun glow, followed by pinstriping and layers of El Diablo dark red. The Low Rider ST comes equipped hot out the gates with the Milwaukee 8 117 V-twin engine, giving the rider 125 foot-pounds of torque at 3,500 RPMs. Another distinguishing factor is the high-performance audio provided by the Rockford Fosgate sound system up front, which is controlled via Bluetooth on the HD Audio app, also giving you equalizer adjustability to fine-tune a sound that's right for you.
The devil's definitely in the details with this limited edition beauty, so stop in today, ask for Scott, and let's go for a ride.